To start things off, I just added a video clip to my timeline with a separate audio track. Alright, let's begin by holding down the Alt key and dragging our video clip onto the track above it to make a duplicate. Now let's head over to the Effects panel. Type Transform into the search box. Drag the effect onto the V1 track's video clip. Then go up to the effect controls for that clip. Under Transform, uncheck the Uniform Scale. Then change the scale width to -100 to flip the video. Alright, now we just need to make some cuts on our V2 track's footage to show our flip footage every other frame. Move the time head to where you want the flicker effect to start. I'm going to move mine to where the drums start. Use the bar on the bottom to zoom into your footage. Now use the razor tool to make a cut at the time head's position. Press the right arrow key once to move forward one frame. Then make another cut. Keep doing this for however long you want the effect to last. If you want to use a shortcut to speed things up, deselect all the active tracks except the one you're editing, V2. Now you can use the Ctrl-K keyboard shortcut to make cuts instead of having to use the razor tool every frame. Once you're finished making cuts, delete every other frame that you cut out. Okay, and now when I play this back, we have a cool looking flicker effect in Premiere. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching and see you next time.